Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about migration. Have you heard about migration? The definition of migration is the temporary or permanent shifting of residence of people from one place to another is known as migration. So, migration includes the shifting of residence of people, which may be permanent or temporary, from one place to another is known as migration. This migration can occur at different levels, or migration can be classified into different types. Migration can be generally classified into two types. First one is international migration and second one is internal migration. We are going to discuss each type in detail. First one, international migration. The migration that occurring across the international boundaries are known as international migration. This international migration is again classified into two types. First one is immigration and second one is emigration. Immigration is the inward movement of people towards a country, and emigration is just opposite to that. That is the outward migration of people from one country to another is known as emigration. Immigration is the inward movement and emigration is the outward migration. This is the basic difference between immigration and emigration. Keralites working abroad is a best example for international migrants. This is all about international migration. The other type is internal migration. Internal migration is the migration that occurring within a country. For example, all the types of migration that occurring within India is an example for internal migration. People tend to migrate to places within the country for better employment opportunities and wages, etc. Thus, internal migration is again classified into two types: interstate migration and intrastate migration. Interstate migration is the migration from one state to another. The North Indian labourers in the construction sector of Kerala is an example for interstate migration. The next type is intrastate migration. Migration of people within the state is known as intrastate migration. This intrastate migration is again classified into two types. One is inter-district migration. Inter-district migration means the migration across the district boundaries. For example, large-scale migration of farmers to Malabar from central Travancore in the first half of 20th century is an example for inter-district migration. The last type is intra-district migration. Migration within a district caused by marriage, education, etc. can be called as intra-district migration. So, today we have discussed about migration and its different types. Thank you.